Welcome to my channel once again. We're using ginger garlic paste, turmeric, mixed spices and a bay leaf. So the main thing we're using today is Irish potato. We're cutting them into slices, circles. And then the potatoes are 1.5 kilograms. It's ready now, so we put on a tray. Let it cool down. Now let's make the batter for it. Now what we need here is flour, 6 eggs, green pepper, cilantro, then ginger garlic paste, then salt, mixed spices and baking powder. Now here you put salt to taste, but I usually put a flat teaspoon of salt and then a flat teaspoon of baking powder and then a half teaspoon of spices, mixed spices. Now let's start mixing the ingredients. We add a tablespoon of green pepper, cilantro or coriander, a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. The flour is 375 grams. Now let's start cooking. Fry till golden brown and then remove. If you're new to this channel, welcome. We do cooking here and craft, and please consider subscribing. Thank you.